Let him cook. Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
Welcome back, guys. It's Fixing It with Chef, and we're back again to do the second chapter of changing my OEM struts to the Rev9 Hyper Street 2 coilovers. In our previous episode, we did the front, and it fits real nice. I don't know how it feels as yet, but also we got the Megan Racing high performance truck brace for the engine bay, just to give it a little look and, you know, appearance. So we got that as well. Big shout out to Jackspaniaracing. Like 45% on my car is them, you know. So let's get into it. I'm gonna remove the back because we're gonna finish up the car and do the back and replace them. Let's hope it's quick, fast, easy. Have our fingers crossed, you know. This is it, guys. All right, so when you wish that everything goes according to plan, but it doesn't. So on the other side, I damaged the wheel key, the lug key, which got broken off. So I got a little advice on what to do from my good friend and builder, DJ Tuning. So I actually went to Home Depot, grinder, glasses, get a chisel, get metal grinding wheel, pause on the grinding. But yeah, that was my aim. And he said to me, like, hey, do this, do that. And I got it off, you know. So I'm gonna do the other side. Same thing with a socket, and let's get it off. All right, so, you know, yesterday or last night we had some difficulties getting the wheels off, but we did get them off. So now we're gonna remove these regular struts and install the Rev9 struts. So we're gonna pull the 14, loosen the brake lines, the ABS cable, and the control arm, then the upper control arm. We're gonna loosen them up and drop the shock absorber so we can install a new one. So you're gonna need 14, 14, and 17, and then the 12, and that's pretty much it. And then inside, I'll show you inside as well, so stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, we got it out, so it's time to get the spring out. So I guess we have to, you know, push down to try and get the spring out. Let's make this quick and fast and easy. All right, guys, 1 second. So we pull this upper control, we pull the shocks bolt. So now, let's see how easy we could make it without doing a lot of work to it. All right, guys, we got the spring out. We didn't need to pull the lower control arm. You know, we tried to just push it down and twist the spring out. Now I'm just gonna clean up the little area right there with some brake cleaner and a little microfiber cloth. to get all those debris off and stuff like that, you know, install it clean and everything. All right, guys, so it's in, but we're buttoning up bolts and everything. So we can get it done, guys. Ooh, I got the one hand, you know? See that? Damn. All right, guys. When I finish the bolt up, do this, everything, and then tighten the bolt that's in the trunk for the coilovers. All right, guys. Everything is buttoned in and firm. You know, that's it. That's it, my boys. On to the other side. Let me show you the inside. You know, I have my battery box. Right there. That's it, guys. On to the other side. So let's get it. All right, guys, we complete the other side. And we're not looking bad, guys. Everybody's seated well. Time to put the wheels on and let's see how it looks. And remember, guys, we're doing a front strut brace as well. So these are all the old parts that we took off. And time to put on the wheels, then the Megan Racing strut brace. Well, guys, it's definitely lower on the front and a little bit on the back. I think I should lower it a little bit more on the back. Just a little bit. Doesn't look bad. Definitely doesn't look bad. Definitely can't wait to drive and feel how it feels. But it looks decent. All right, so after adjusting the preset on the back, I got the car how I want it. I adjusted by, 3/4 of an inch, and it's sitting right where I want it, not too low. So now I'm gonna do the Megan high performance strut brace. All right, guys, I can say it's a perfect fit. And this is clean. Yo, it gives the engine bay like a nice look, Really dig it.